In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently add a new driver to your system. By the end of this guide, you'll be fully equipped with the knowledge to handle this process smoothly and confidently. Let's dive right in and get started. First, we'll begin by accessing the Drivers tab. This tab is likely visible in the main menu of your application or system interface. The Drivers tab is a central location where all driver-related information is stored and managed. Think of it as your command center for everything driver-related. Selecting this tab will take you to a dedicated section where you can view, manage, and crucially, add new drivers to your roster. Once you're in the Drivers tab, the next step is to tap on the Add Driver button. This action is the key to unlocking the form where you will input the necessary details for your new driver. The Add Driver button is typically prominently displayed, often labeled clearly so you won't miss it. By clicking this button, you're initiating the process to expand your team or roster, a step forward towards ensuring smooth and efficient operations. After you've tapped the Add Driver button, the final step is to complete all the required information fields. This part of the process involves filling out detailed information about the new driver. It's crucial to pay attention here as accurate data entry is essential. You might encounter fields that require personal details such as the driver's full name, contact information, and licensure details. Make sure every piece of information is correct and up to date, as this ensures compliance with regulations and facilitates seamless future interactions. Additionally, take note of any mandatory fields, often marked with an asterisk. These must be filled out for successful completion. As you fill out these details, consider double-checking each field. Errors at this stage can lead to complications down the line, so accuracy is your best friend here. It's also a good idea to have any necessary documents or verifications on hand, such as driver's licenses or identification numbers, to streamline this process further. Remember, thoroughness at this point saves you time and potential issues in the future. Once you're satisfied with all the information entered, finalize the process by following any on-screen prompts to confirm your entries. This might involve clicking a Save or Confirm button. Clearly, this will conclude the adding process, and your new driver's information will be securely stored in the system. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to adding a driver to your system. By following these instructions, you ensure a streamlined, accurate, and efficient process. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit this guide whenever you need a refresher on adding drivers. Until next time.